Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Giavianni.soliet, and today is going to be a special video because I am preparing to go on my vacation, which is on Wednesday, October 11th. We're about to go get a few things, like a last minute things for the trip. And Nakai said I was a terrible vlogger once again because I didn't vlog my nails or my hair, and let me tell you why. First, my nails. My appointment was at 5 p.m. If you know me, I like to do all of my appointments like early in the morning so I can get it out the way. But it was at 5 p.m. I didn't leave the salon until almost like 10. So I'm like, okay, I don't want to film that because it's just like a lot. But here are my nails. Fit of focus. They're just these eyes and then like slime. I got it for Halloween, obviously, but that's what they look like. Then this morning I had my hair appointment at 9:30. I woke up at 9:08 and I still had to wash my hair. So I'm trying to rush and wash my hair so I can make it to my appointment on time so it won't get canceled. But here's my hair. It's just 12 stitch braids. We're in the hair store now looking at sunglasses. Oh, these yellow ones are cute. Let me see. You like those, Sandy? Alright, so got my edge control. Nakai didn't find what she needed, so we had to go to another hair store. They really did their big one with the clouds today. They really made it nice. Hey guys, it is currently like, what time is it? It's currently 5:17 in the morning. And I'm getting ready to go to the airport. Our flight is at 8:05, but we're getting there pretty early because we just want to be checked in and everything before the flight. I'm just doing my edges, and then I'll be ready to go. It's probably so cold outside. Alright. That way anyway. I had my longest vlog before. First of all, Nakai's bag was 63 pounds. And then, second, she had 3 bottles of Gatorade in her carry-on bag. 3 bottles of conditioner, shampoo, and curling cream. And the TSA man was like, you can't take this. So he threw it away. I didn't even film us going through TSA, me coming to the airport. We got to the gate at 7:40. Our flight leaves at 8:05.
Oh, no. It's not my fault because I don't know how to pack my suitcase. So I had to take some stuff out. My suitcase was 63 pounds, but I had what I needed. And then we went through TSA, and I ended up having Gatorade instead of a bag, and I didn't need to have Gatorade instead of a bag, but I did. And then they took away his As I Am co-wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So we'll see if we can find that when we get to where we're going, but I highly doubt it.
Look at that.
But it's gone. Yeah, it's my fault just because the luggage was too heavy, but you know, I don't know how to pack. So.
Get our bags.
You're one of our nearly 70 million visitors.
Let me just say, traveling with a little child, pretty ghetto.
B30.
Okay, I gotta put you guys down now. Got our bags. Now, we're just waiting for Nakaya because she went to the bathroom. Sandy, how was the flight? It was good. You was asleep the entire time. Now he got his cookie. We're just waiting. It's hot. It's hot in this airport. It's hot everywhere. I had this sweatsuit on, so I'm a little toasty right now. But I'll let you guys know when we get to our car.
What do you guys do when you're on a plane and you got to fart? I don't know.
You don't. That's the real answer. We got the car. Black truck on them hoes. Like we didn't have to fight for this.
Open the morning, can't remember nothing. She just flowing from London. The thing I remember, they call me their daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Never sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and week out the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga.
So we, first of all, don't mind my appearance. My edges, I don't know what happened to my edges, it's hot. But we found where our Airbnb was, and then we're about to get something to eat right now. We're going to Ford's Garage. You've seen Ford's Garage on my channel thousands of times. But I don't know, I just really need like a fat, juicy burger right now.
Oh, 100 pockets riding, got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Them rich niggas we successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? The cocoa make her feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. Change. She pop a perky pussy wetter. Drip. I met the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get an E for
You know where we're at, no matter where we are, we will always find the target, right, Nakaya?
Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and no way, why you did that? You hit some splinters in your car, why you did that? How you yelling slash, how I kill a cat? Hopping around in a two to make that pillows in the back. Too many buzzes, fully think it's so won't get wet. Straight go get me like you still me, how you gon' do that? Nothing in the bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shit.
Here it comes. All right, we made it to the house. I have my hood on because it was raining really hard, but in Florida, it rains for like 3 seconds and then it stops raining. So we're about to show you the house. Come on, Sandy. What room is this? Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Dobby.
Where's Dobby at? Look at the brooms on the wall. We gotta find Dobby. Okay, come on.
What? What? Oh my God. Look at that, buddy.
This is so cool.
Why eat the
Who is that?
Well,
Captain America. Who is this? Who's this? Who's that? Who's this?
Hope guy.
Okay, so that is a tour of upstairs and then outside. This is where the pool and stuff is. It's a nice little pool, nice little area. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That is the tour of the house. It's Airbnb here in, I think we're in Orlando, pretty sure. Or Kissimmee, either one, I don't really know. But I'm about to put y'all on a tripod. I have to pee like so bad right now. It's It's really unbelievable. My lips are chapped. I just feel like I need house shoes on. I still have on my shoes that I've been wearing in the airport. Let me put on my house shoes. House shoes from home. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta pee.
I heard somebody was being bad. Jail immediately.
You're going to jail, buddy.
Hands behind your back. Oh.
My glasses are instantly fogging up. Is this a joke? Let's see the nails, Nakaya. Let's see the nails. Right. Hold on, do it again. Now we're at Publix. Look at the palm trees. Oh, we're getting breakfast food. This cup right here is so cute. Oh my gosh. And it comes with a little spoon. This one's broken, but it comes with a little spoon. That is so cute. What else they got in here? Oh, Santana would like this. This Spider-Man water bottle. That's cute. We need to get some flip-flops for the shower. They have my size. This is an 8. I size up. So then I'm gonna get these for the shower. Well, hold on. How much are these? $11.99. Yeah, we're gonna put these back.
You put switches on all your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You get some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in a tutu, make big pillows in the back. Too many vans and it's fully aching.
Cheese sauce? Yeah. And then
Arnold Palmer?
yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. The mayo, lettuce, and tomato. Is that okay on your grilled chicken? Okay. And what can I get for you?
On the number 2, is that the same as the lemon cake?
How
A
much?
slice of lemon cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. All righty. It'll come out to $65.88, okay?
All right.
Come on, actually, never mind. $65? I thought this was like a fast food restaurant. What the fuck? It is so expensive. We just went to Publix and bacon was like $17. It's not $17 where we live. What's that about? I thought this was like a steak and shake.
Nah, it's like we gonna go deep as we can in your fucking pockets.
What is that considered, like high-end fast food or something?
Bruh, $65?
Those Chicago style dogs are expensive. There's a lot of shit on them.
How about them? Shell catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches on all your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You get some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
Got Portillo's. This is the cheese sauce.
Every day when I first started drinking, just back in quarantine.
Excuse me. Okay, you're gonna eat a cookie.
I just want to taste a little bit. Wow. Also,
Fries, onion rings, cheese sauce, Coke. Nakaya got a chicken sandwich. The bun is burnt, but it's fine. This lemon cake. And then we got hot dogs. My dad got 2, and I got 1. Got the same thing.
Little mommy,
uh-huh.
look at here.
Uh-oh, now you gotta step in there.
Look at here.
Culver's cheese is better than that.
Okay.
Let's try it.
He wanted some French fries.
He said he want tricks right now.
Oh, you don't want French fries?
No, you get a donut in the morning.
Where is it?
Pause that.
Relish is very green. I picked the tomatoes off.
Here, Fanny.
No.
How's that possible without us?
What would you rate it?
It's pretty mid, honestly.
Yeah, $65 for it. We are currently at the Nike outlet. I mean, is this an outlet? It's called the Nike factory store, but I don't know if it's, I guess it would be considered an outlet. I guess, I don't really know. But it looks like that. We going to the Nike outlet, and I got on Yeezys. Oops. I want to see if they have some stuff for me in here for when I go to work, because I don't wear the usual uniform for work. So, they got these. I would buy these. For sure. They got these. The twos. For 100. This is really cute. If you know me, I'm a whore for a collar. I like that. And it's cropped. How much is it? 54. That's cute.
Broken and loaded, no 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 broken and loaded. Got a lot of money on me, parking and loaded. I got the.
What is this? Downtown Disney, but it's called Disney Springs now. And I haven't been here since I was 18, so.
There's no long way to come in, eh?
And that right there is Planet Hollywood. That's my favorite restaurant. When I tell y'all it's cooking out here, it's so hot. When we left home, it was like 40 something degrees. It was so cold. And then here, it's just like everywhere, it's so hot. You know where we're going.
Got them bitches in the bag, got them bricks in the bag, got them racks in the bag. I got a Glock and they sit on my lap by the shroom, go do, and they did. I heard he said it a million times, but I'm about to go back and just say it again, bitches. Stop calling my phone, just leave me alone, yeah, damn it. I'm not from this zone, I'm not from my home, I'm not from this planet.
Yep. Oh, these are so cool.
Oh, your pens.
People just collect these over time?
They do. They purchase starter kits and then they will go around to different locations and start trading.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's so cool. I see it, Santana. I like that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We just went into, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we just went into a marble store and it was so cool. The only thing I didn't like about it was the Spider-Man section was just so small.
I'm high on life, my Glock talk to me and tell me go blind me. Fuck what you said, you a little bitch, go tie deal. I don't got time for the force. I've been collecting bucks. I'm about about to no fucks. I'm about to swerve and dab on the trucks. I don't give a fuck, that's a plus. Whole lot of money on me, got them bucks. Oh, double G bone, she bitch, hit that bus. I'm about to bet that's a bus. I'm about to hop out the range. I don't give a fuck with that lane. I be collecting my change. Rose West got the umbrella for rain. Bitch, it's a wonderful day. Drinking it, David, don't make no mistakes. Get this up like a grill, like a steak. I give a fuck with you so you can stay. No, don't you get it, I'm pushing my limits. I'm squeezing that bitch, I like squeezing the limits. Fuck what you say, bitch, I'm pushing them limits. Yeah, back in the day, I was riding the Civic, I'm pushing the limits, no genius. Yeah, pull up, I'm in the little Urus, I'm swerving and dabbing that bitch in my business. Bought a new paddock, it sit on my wrist and it glisten. They motherfucking listen to me, cause I'm talking a lot and I'm walking a lot. Got a lot of money on me, parking a lot. I got them whips, got them bitches in the back, got them bricks in the back, got them racks in the back. I got a Glock and they sit on my lap, by the room, go do, and they did. I heard he said it a million times, but I'm about to go back and just say it again. Bitches, fuck what you said and it's fuck what you read. I don't give no fuck if you better off dead.
Let me tell you something. I don't know what it is, but every time we go somewhere other than Cincinnati, niggas don't know what personal space is. Anyway, I got my M&Ms as you guys see. What was your experience at the M&M store in the kayak?
It was actually wonderful and I enjoyed it a lot. I was probably more excited than Santana.
Get her apple. She's not gonna eat it. It's gonna take her like 5 days to eat it.
I love candy caramel apples. We're not gonna do that.
Here. Got a mixture between kids and adults, so it's kind of confusing. Something from Zara. That's cute. The way that they always dress these mannequins, that is so pretty. That is so cute. With some jean shorts. Alright, after a million different Google searches, ended up at Bahama Breeze. I ordered a Bahama Mama.
You on me parking the lot. I got them whips, got them bitches in the back, got them bricks in the back, got them racks in the back. I got a Glock and they sit on my lap, by the room, go do, and they did. I heard he said it a million times, but I'm about to go back and just say it again, bitches. Stop calling my phone, just leave me alone. Damn it. I'm not from this zone, I'm not from my home, I'm not from this planet. I'm high on life, my Glock talk to me and tell me go blind me. Yeah, fuck what you said, you a little bitch, go tie deal about me. I don't got time for the fuss, I been collecting them bucks. I'm about to, no fucks, I'm about to swerve and dab on the trucks. I don't give a fuck, that's a plus. Whole lot of money on me, got them bucks. Oh, double G bone, she bitch, hit that bus.
This day, what day is it? 3? This keeps on getting hotter day by day. We're at the outlets now.
Yeah, guys, I gotta get a belt because I don't say.
Okay.
Don't edit that out.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Buy the new paddock, get sit on my wrist and it glisten. They motherfucking listen to me, cause I'm talking a lot and I'm walking a lot. Got a lot of money on me, parking a lot. I got them whips, got them bitches in the back, got them bricks in them back, got them racks in them back. I got a Glock and they sit on my lap, by the shoe, I'm gon' do the.
You have these napkins. Thanks.
We're out K-pop.
You gotcha. Where our cake pop at?
At the Mall of Millennia. I like this mall. We just walking around right now trying to find a store to go to and see what they got. We're at Clearwater Beach right now. We're walking to find some sandals for my dad. Gym shoes at the beach.
Yeah, he ain't want to walk in the sand.
How come you don't want to walk in the sand?
First time, I guess it was too much for him.
Oh, it's so cold. That first hit. Me and the Kai are walking back to the car right now to gotta get my shoes, and then I have to get my ID because the Kai wants a margarita. All right, I'm good. We're at the bar. Can I please have the strawberry shortcake? Yeah.
Thank you.
thank you.
And then can I have the orange dreamsicle? Take anything.
We're seated now. Frenchie's garlic crab fries. This is what I've been waiting for. Don't know what day this is. I think it's day 4. We're at Universal right now.
I'm not from my home, I'm not from this planet. I'm high on life, my Glock talk to me and tell me go blind me. Yeah, fuck what you said, you a little bitch, go tie deal about me. I don't got time for the fuss, I been collecting them bucks. I'm about to, no fucks, I'm about to swerve and dab on the shuffles. I don't give a fuck, that's a plus. Whole lot of money on me, got them bucks. Oh, double G bone, she bitch, hit that bus. I'm about to bet this bus. I'm about to have out the range. I don't give a fuck with that lane. I been collecting my change. Rose West got the umbrella for rain. Bitches a wonderful day. Drinking it, David, no man, no mistakes. Get this up like a grill, like a steak. I give a fuck with you, so you can stay.
My dad keeps trying to get me to ride this ride. He's been trying to get me to ride the ride since like 2017.
Yeah, we're gonna get on it.
I don't know about all that. That's a straight shot. The ride is so scary, and like the part of the ride is right there, but the beginning is over here. That's Optimus. Yeah.
Now is the time to smile.
Turn a smile right up here, my friend.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. It's up to you to save this planet so that you may visit us again.
It's okay. Just went on the ET ride. It's just amazing to me that Santana was able to ride that ride because he's only 2 and he was tall enough to ride it. Where are we about to go?
Right now, I think the guy was Harry Potter.
So I was right. This is Harry Potter. I'll be walking so fast, and I'm so ahead of my family. They walking too slow. We got stuff to do. Harry Potter world. I've literally never watched Harry Potter in my life, so I don't really know what all these shops are. It's pretty cool to see everything though. They have a sweet shop over there called Sugar Plum.
Oh, let's go. It's so cool.
I love a good sweet shop. What is it?
The switch is what they throw up in the air.
Well, like, where do you put this?
It's a keychain.
Oh, that's cute. I would get this just to put it on my keys because I like stuff on my keys. We're entering the train now to the other park. It's a 100-minute wait. to the train. Came a long way. Hours away. But we're here finally.
It's a very long way. My feet are killing me.
We're at the train. The train or a 20-minute walk. We could have walked. 2 hours later, we're here. Later, and we just left the Kong ride. I don't know what it's called, but it's cold now, so I have to throw on my skeleton hoodie. It's fire. We got this pretzel or the kite. Well, that's a big piece.
One time you got a
this pretzel. It's so good.
Yeah, one of them had chocolate on the inside.
But I don't know what we're about to do right now.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully get something to eat. I haven't eaten anything all day besides the pretzel. This is live. I'm about to show y'all the shirt that I just got. Fire. Mom, look at the shirt. This is the best part of Universal, this right here. All of this. They got a keychain over here. Spider-Man keychain, that's cute. They're pretty cool too. This one's live. Show you guys my outfit. The park. We're about to get something to eat at Grill and Brew. It's on the other side, but these are all the restaurants that's over here. This is CityWalk. I haven't eaten all day, bro. I'm so hungry. This is so pretty.
From here, you never know who you're going to run into.
Right.
The cowfish has sushi burgers and
You want to go there? Alright, y'all. We're at Voodoo Donuts now. Thank you. We're at Voodoo Donuts now. We've never been here your birthday. How old are you?
3.
Come here. Happy birthday. I love you.
I want you.
Give me a kiss. Happy birthday, Sandy's.
Thank you.
You look so cute.
Bye. Guitar.
Oh, happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah, let me clear this off.
Thank you. Is that you?
Which one should we watch?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Santa. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Blow it out, blow it out. Blow.
Yay! Is it good?
It's yummy.
Yeah.
All right.
Boogie boogie.
Yeah.
It's the oogie boogie. I can't wait to do that.
We can't go bye-bye.
No, Papa.
We're gonna go celebrate your birthday.
Here, take Oogie with you. Can you take him with
We're
you?
gonna go celebrate your birthday, bud.
I'm scared.
Take him with you.
No, I ain't working.
We'll be back, guys.
Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a two-tone Maybach, pillows in the back. Too many vibes in the police acting, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me, how you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rap. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fucked the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special hookah, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I did. How you get that shit, you got a man and on your hoe. Let me best hit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Little hop out dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
Hey guys, today is Tuesday. It's the day before we leave. It's currently 11:41. I think we're going to brunch. I got ready like a few minutes ago. I'm not wearing anything special because one, I'm on my period. And let me just tell you, being on your period just really makes everything worse because I don't really feel like getting ready. I don't really feel like looking cute right now, so I have on sweatpants and this regular gray top. And then also my wisdom tooth on my left side, it hurts so much, and you could probably tell, I don't know if you can tell, but my cheeks are like swollen because of my wisdom tooth and I can barely eat. Other than that, everything's fine, I guess. I don't know if everyone's ready. I know my mom's ready, I think Nakaya is ready, and then my dad, I think he's getting ready right now. That's on the plan for today. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys before everything. And I will talk to you when we go somewhere or we do something, which it'll probably be breakfast. So the day.
Sorry.
Outfit of the day, Forever 21, Target, and then I just have on my Bone Yeezy 700s and then my bag. And then I have on, I got these new bracelets from the souvenir shop. These flower bracelets, and then that blue one right there. Do you want it to do one, Nakaya?
Alright guys, so my shirt is from Gideon. Leggings are from Costco. These look like socks, but they're leg warmers. These are from Forever 21. Shoes from Journeys. Bag from Marc Jacobs.
Wait.
Express. Nails. Shea Santana.
Where am I from? I'm from everywhere.
Bracelet.
I'm everywhere now.
Nordstrom.
Everyone's OOTD.
OTD.
We're going to outfit of the day.
Oh, outfit of the day. I thought you said OOTV. I'm like, what kind of TV show is that? I show that. Which way are we going with it?
We're going to Denny's, I think, still. Who knows? Santana, do outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day, little guy.
Where's your shirt from? Where's your pants from?
TJ Maxx.
Where's your shoes from?
Where we going? And then
Shoe Palace.
Shoe Palace.
That's it.
And where are you from?
Say cologne.
You are universal.
High fat.
That boy smell like 1 million.
It's currently 47 degrees in Florida right now. It's so cold out here. To people who live in Florida, it's probably freezing. But it feels good to me. Okay.
Twisted thing.
I thought I lost my AirPod case. It was plugged in the entire night in the car. So we're at Denny's now, and I was in the car, and thank you.
Here, I'll get the mango in there for you,
Okay. And I was in the car, and Nakaya asked me to get something out of my bag. So I'm like, okay, sure. And I feel something wet. So I was like, trying to see like if my perfume fell or whatever. But I had my water in there. The whole bottle of water spilled in my bag. That's just great. I'm having a great day.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy, got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, honey, pockets right.
Where are we, Nakaya? Gideon's Bakehouse. We've been trying to come here for like 4 days, and every time it's been either a 13-hour wait, a 3-day wait, or a 2-minute wait. They hand us a little menu, and this is the menu for October. I'm really sure what a Gideon is. What is it called? Gideon. Gilligan's Island. How did you find out about this?
TikTok. I always had seen like their cookies on TikTok, but I never knew like what it was. Hold on, baby. And then I was trying to find like stuff in Orlando, and hold on, baby. And I came across it. I'm like, oh, let's try that. And we were here the first night, and then we seen the line all the way to the parking garage. And I'm like, wow, okay. We came back 3 days later, and here we are.
Yeah, it was, the line on the weekend was insanely long. But thankfully we came on a Wednesday at like, what time we get here? Like 12 something? Almost 1?
Yeah. And
the line wasn't too long. She said it was gonna be like an hour or a 50-minute to an hour wait, but we've only been waiting, how long? Like 30 minutes. Santana wants to say hi.
Hi. My teacher.
Yeah.
Hi.
So these doors, like there's no windows up there, so, and there's always somebody standing by the door, so you can't see inside from outside. I don't know what the secret is. Maybe, I was telling Nakaya, maybe they have these little guys in here, like real life, and they don't want anybody to know. They probably do. That'd be funny.
You gotta
if we
sign a
did.
waiver before you go in.
Yeah, we had to sign a contract before we go in. You got,
and last thing, it's 141. They have warm cookies, 2 to 3.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully we can get a warm one.
Yeah. If it's not warm, I send it back.
I really didn't want to wait this fucking line. But the things that you do for your kids and grandkids.
Alright, talk to you guys when we get in there.
Good, how are you?
It smells so good in here.
Oh, this is it? Goddamn, I thought it was gonna be a big ass extravagant place.
Pretty cool, guys. I really did think it was gonna be like a whole factory, but it's only like, it's just this. Yeah.
I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich niggas with successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? The cocoa make her feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perky pussy wetter. Drip. I make the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get it?
We have one of the brighter Frankenstein, one regular Frankenstein, a coffee cake. What was the one on the end? The banana?
Yeah,
the banana.
Okay, I want a original chocolate chip.
Key lime.
Oh yeah, key lime.
Let me get a slice of that.
Cause I been baptized. I got mob tied to the north side. Solo with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Been I hit a lid with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lid with these niggas dropping dimes. Fucking on the friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time.
We got the cookies. We got every flavor.
No, we got 5 flavors and then it was like 5 more we didn't get.
We should be good with the ones that we got. We're about to try Gideon's. I don't know which is which. I'm about to get a plate.
Well, you couldn't wait to go in my bag and get that cookie, man. What the fuck?
One I wanted to try is the banana chocolate chip. But I'm about to put it in a microwave because I need it to be warm.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's not my ring. It ain't ringing when I call. I mean, it's ringing, but it's real
I
low.
don't know if I can see that steam. But
Is it worth 3 hours?
I'm getting a strong hint of banana. Yes, a lot of banana in here. It's good.
It's
though.
soft on the inside. That's a plus 10.
I tasted the salt too.
Oh, this is really good. Yeah.
You like it?
Definitely a 7.5 out of 10. Nice fire, actually.
Regular chocolate.
That one was good.
They sure can. Oh, then they have
okay.
No, I'm fine. I got potato. I got started.
But you need a vegetable.
That's a lot of chocolate chip.
Almost lost them.
I like
That's
chocolate.
9.
I'm only gonna do a little bit because I don't like M&Ms, like regular M&Ms or white chocolate.
White chocolate is right. What you rating, boo?
9.
A 9?
Uh-oh. Let's see. I like that one. I like blondies, so.
7 out of 10. a 7,
6.
a 9, and a 6.
Overall rating, I would give it an 8.5 for the experience. And it's not like disgusting.
And it's like, we traveled with these cookies, came home and warmed them up, and they still soft.
Right.
So that means
the quality of them.
No, act like we traveled for like
no,
days.
but still, you know, like
2 hour. It wasn't even a 2 hour flight.
But even if you baking cookies at home and you let them sit for a little bit,
they gonna get hard.
Yeah. So it's like these, you can travel with them and they still gonna be fire. Like,
yeah. So Gideon's 8.5 out of 10.
I'll be the judge of that.
I like the consistency of the cake.
Oh.
For sure. What would I rate that? A 6.5.
Really?
Yeah.
Ain't no damn 6.5. This cake good as hell.
He hasn't even tried it yet.
Wait a minute. I did taste a little bit of it, but they over here like, you see how they gesturing and shit? They think they on a real live, like, we've been taste testing for years. It's bullshit. I ain't waiting 3 hours for shit. I don't give a fuck how good it is.
Daddy,
you can bleep it out. My wife in the background like, oh, he cussed. Oh.
Wait.
Yeah, I cussed. It's YouTube. Shit. Yeah, you heard Gia. She cussed like a motherfucker.
Wait, we got more cookies that we never tried. We gotta at least show them.
Hey, I'm gonna throw up if I get another cookie.
All right, well, we're not gonna. I think this gonna be the best one. Cause I'm just thinking about the inside of the cake. I mean the cookies, and you know they so decadent in the inside.
Decadent.
Go ahead.
Oh, I need to make sure I get some of the top. All right.
You taste that?
Yeah.
It's a little chewy.
Which one?
That one's a 9.
Which one? Coffee cake.
And it got the crumble that they put on top. Oh my.
Oh my god.
I love when cookies
I don't like coffee.
taste like cake.
Let me try it.
This one's the best
The
one.
coffee cake is the winner. Get the coffee cake. Delicioso.
Okay. We're gonna
start talking in Spanish.
So overall, now that I tasted that one, I forgot we had that one. I give it a 9.
The whole place?
Uh-huh.
I thought we already made it a 9.
No, I rated it 8.
But that's including the inside too?
Put the microwave.
No.
Put the microwave.
Because if you go inside of it, you would never expect a bakery to look like that.
My camera's dying. Hold on, guys. 1 second.
This what the chocolate chip one look like in the bag.
Absolutely.
That's too
not.
much chocolate. Do better, Gideon.